Hi, my name is Chance Anderson, and in this video we'll be covering the shortcomings of food plant inspections and the ways in which Vericuda improves upon food plant inspections, such as broadening participation beyond QA managers, improving employee training and understanding of inspections, reducing time constraints to prevent rushed inspections, enhancing inspection variability and depth, dividing and conquering, clarifying corrective actions, and ensuring accountability. Food plant inspections are vital for ensuring food safety and quality, yet many facilities struggle with ineffective inspection programs. Common issues include limited participation of management other than the QA managers, rushed and predictable inspections, insufficient employee training, and poor accountability. To address these challenges, a multifaceted approach is necessary. Vericuda improves on traditional inspections by broadening participation beyond quality assurance managers, making inspections more manageable and in turn easier to complete more frequently. A good inspection should not be incumbent, instead involving an element of surprise in order to get a true view of conditions, and not only relying on one person, rather the combined input of a team. In Vericuda, you can easily add users, roles, and departments. Upon logging in, simply click the Users tab, then Add User. You'll then need to fill out the user's email, name, role, in addition to adding a signature. Once you've selected a site, you can click Add and the new user should appear on the list of users. An understanding of what is necessary information in inspections is critical to its quality and success. Vericuda offers an intuitive layout which defines areas, locations, common causes, due dates, and business functions, which are configurable on a site-by-site basis. By clicking the Add Observation button in the Observations tab, you'll create a new observation, in which you'll need to add an image of the observation, select an area in which the observation occurred, select a priority level, type in some details regarding the observation, select a business function, and select a common cause, as well as assigning the observation to a user. Vericuda is accessible on phone, tablet, laptop, and regular computers. Conducting inspections are more efficient to do on the phone than manually tracking using pen and paper. Vericuda also stores the photos of the sites on the cloud, so you don't need to keep the observation photos on your device, which saves you storage space. A good inspection is only as good as the report it creates. Using Vericuda, you can run a report based on a variety of criteria. After setting a date range and hitting Generate Report, you're able to export the report through Excel, PDF, or print. On the dashboard, you can see graph visualizations of common causes by area and function, forms, corrective actions, and you can also generate key performance indicator reports, ensuring visibility to management. You're able to divvy up tasks among teams or specific users when creating an observation. The process of observing and correcting is split into 3 steps to ensure the action was satisfactory. Once an observation is created, it is then assigned to an employee to correct it. The employee with the task assigned to them adds a photo, notes, date of completion, and signature following the fix. Once they've hit save, it will be sent to the person in charge of verifying it, where they can either approve or deny the corrective action. If they deny it, it's still open and must be resolved. If approved, the observation is closed and stored. Providing multiple employees with smaller parts of the inspection process allows for them to focus on the task at hand, and it creates a check system to prevent subpar corrective action from occurring. Multiple users can also be assigned the role of inputting corrective action or the role of the verifier. Vericuda allows for detailed descriptions in all steps of the process, making the issue and actions taken to correct it clear. The verifier can also leave comments in the ticket comments box located at the bottom of the screen upon approving or denying the corrective action to inform the employee what needs to change in order to be approved or any additional comments. This system allows for thoroughness in the tickets, but also makes it a breeze for the verifiers to review all milestones in the process and make an informed decision. In the Observations tab, you can see general details of each observation. Observations are organized clearly and can be filtered, making the process of searching for a specific observation significantly quicker than filing through paper reports. Closed observations are hidden, but can be seen by clicking the Show Closed checkbox. On the home page, the top row of 4 boxes provide a brief overview of the most important information for inspections: due observations, observations this week, observations due this week, and critical/major observations. Clicking any of these boxes will pull up a list of the observations in the left-hand box beneath the 2 rows. The home screen is organized to place critical information at the forefront to confirm all employees are aware of what they need to complete, ensuring accountability. Now that we've concluded the ways in which Vericuda surpasses standard inspections, let's do a quick recap of what you've learned. You've learned how to create and add new users on Vericuda to incorporate different levels and departments in the verification process, how to fill out, complete corrective action on, and verify observations, including how to divide the work of an observation to clarify and verify corrective action, as well as how to form a detailed quality observation ticket. You've also learned how to create, export, and change criteria for reports, as well as where to find KPIs and other important information on the dashboard to ensure accountability. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@vericuda.com. And once again, I'm Chance Anderson with Vericuda. Thank you and make it a great day.